Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I wanted to do a really quick video about another option to go in between our shaker covers, our shaker journal covers, because I do like this. The journal was just too big for this little spot, right? So I do like it being on its own, which we were going to do anyway. We were going to make another journal for this elastic anyway, but I just decided I like this here, and you could put your Christmas cards in this section here, but I wanted to show you an alternative to that. So we are working in the Time of Wonders. This is the paper collection. We are working with this paper collection, and the album is called Time of Wonders, and I have a full playlist on this album from beginning to end. I will link it up here in the cards. And I have all kinds of links for Amazon and stuff like that down in the description box. Okay, so I've prepped or printed everything. I haven't prepped everything. Well, sort of. I've printed everything. Let me show you what we're going to need out of the templates. Okay, so what I think is a good idea for that section in between the shaker covers that we made in a previous video is some photo pages. So I took page 8B. You could do this two ways. I'm going to show you how to construct a page with 8B, and I'm also going to show you where I traced it onto a larger sheet of cardstock. So we're going to make a folded page, right? So what I did was I took 8B and I printed it out twice. One of them, this is on 80-pound cardstock. One of them I took the 3 tabs off, and the other one I took all the tabs off. It's just the plain. I haven't even inked it. So depending on how many pages or how many photos you want to add in this section, you can print off as many as you want. You could also print off the other pages, like the 9C, where you could put a 5x7 on here, or the 10D, which I don't know why I've got one in here. The 10D, you could put the 4x6 and the 3x4 on here. So you can print as many as you want. You just need 2 if you're going to construct it together. But if you're going to trace it onto the whole sheet, then you just need your traceable template. So if you're constructing the sheet, you need 2 per however many sets of pages you want. And then I printed a bunch of 7BD. Whoop! I printed a bunch of 7BD out of the Basically Amazing add-on photo mats, and I printed it onto 28-pound paper, and I've already cut them out and stamped on them. Oh, I didn't stamp them all. But you need, if you're making the same size, you'll need 2 pages per side. So we're making a little booklet out of this. So there's 4 sides. There's 4 sides. So I needed 4 pages of this. So I printed 4 pages per set. Okay. And I'm just using lightweight paper because you don't need the thickness, because your photo is going to go here. And you don't even have to print this out if you don't want to. You can just literally put your photo right on here. It's not a big deal. Do I have a photo sitting here? Let me grab a photo. Any photo? Just pick a photo. Still got my old photos sitting here. That's okay. I'll grab one. So this is a 4x6. Not the inside's not a 4x6, but the outside is a 4x6. So you could literally, instead of printing those out, you can just literally add your photo directly onto the page here, right? So you don't have to have the photo mats. But let me show you how to put these 2 together. Well, first I have already scored it, and then I guess I just stopped. And I'm going to put some tape on this tab. This is 3/8 inch tape, I believe. And I have all of my tape resources linked down in the description box. And then I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to choose my watercolor paints in my garbage bowl. Perfect. So I'm just going to chomp the corners there. Right, and then we're just going to attach these 2 together. So I think what I'll do is I'll take, and I'm going to go the sides that don't have anything printed on them. I'm going to put those together, facing each other. So So I'm going to take it and just line it up on the edge down here, just in one corner. And then just walk it all the way down. Right? So now I have a little booklet. Or a set of pages. I have a set of pages. So then the next thing you want to do is, because these are going to go into the elastic, you just want to hole punch this. Come on, camera. You can do it. Maybe it can't. There we go. You just want to hope. Nope. There you go. Ah! You just want to cut that corner out. You see, I just took a round chunk. I don't know why my camera isn't right here. Right here. There we go. See, I just took that little corner out. I just took the chunk with my hole punch. So I'm going to do it to the other edge, just like that. So that way the elastic will sit in there better. And then before you install this, I'm going to line this up. And just to help it go around the elastic a little bit, so here's my score, right? Here's my original score. I'm going to go 1/8 of an inch before that score and 1/8 of an inch after that score. And it just kind of helps the paper wrap around that cording a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to ink all the edges, and then I will be right back. Okay, I've got it all inked inside and out, and then I thought I would just really quickly, well, like I said, I'm going to have to stamp some more, so I'm going to need, how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to need 8 photo mats, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so I need 2 more. So you're going to need 8 per set if you're doing it the way I'm doing it. If you're adding the same pages, again, you could add different size pages. You can add as many as you can fit in there if you want to. So I'm just going to stamp these two really quick with my 4x6 stamp from my stamp set. Let me show you real quick. There's my stamp set. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested in checking it out. I don't know if it's in stock right now, but if it's not, just put your name on the list. But yeah, so okay. I am, oops. And that's all I need to do to that. And I'm not even going to ink these edges because I did not even trim them out very well. I just kind of haphazardly did it. Not on purpose, that's just what happened. So I'm going to take my tape runner. This is an ATG tape runner, tape glider. And I will have the refills to this linked down below. I get them at Tape Depot. And the ones I am linking are specifically for this pink ATG, not for other ones. I haven't found them on Amazon yet to be the exact right fit for these, but the Scotch brand is just too expensive. Their refills are just ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is I just went around all the edges there, and you don't have to really secure these unless you're planning on putting a lot of stuff over top of the photo, which I kind of doubt. Okay. Then I'm going to add this one up top here. Just going to go 1/8 of an inch away from, you know, all the borders. And then I thought, maybe not right now, but I thought when we're finished, or when we're done like with the album covers and things like that, and we go do our final embellishing, we could come back with our leftover strips, whatever paper we have, and we can embellish this part. We can put labels, we can put whatever die cuts we have left over. You know, if we have anything like that left over, we can add those here. But I figured that's something we can wait to the end. Otherwise, you could just literally put a label, or you could write right here exactly what's going on in the photos. So I'm going to continue on adding these. I better open this up so I don't accidentally put them on upside down, because you know I will. Okay, now they are all matted. Matted. They're not matted. They're all attached. All of the photo mats are attached. So I wanted to show you really quickly. So this is the one we made the booklet, right? Well, this one, I took page 8B and I just traced it onto a piece of 11 by 17 cardstock, same 80-pound cardstock, and I just traced it, scored it, inked it, all of that. So now I've got one solid piece. So if you have larger cardstock, you can do that as well. So this is what we got. So I've done the same thing. I scored in the, I scored down the middle here, and then I scored one on each side just to help it wrap around the cording. So again, like I said, you could do as many of these as you want, or as will fit, or as you need. So that's probably the best way to put it. So let me open this up. So now, since I feel like since this is here, we're gonna have to make this like more of a feature, aren't we? Because we don't want to open it up to something boring. So here we are. I'm gonna remove my card there, even though I love that idea. That's a great idea, but I wanted to show you an alternate idea. So just in case you didn't want to add your Christmas cards. I didn't get that many Christmas cards this year, and that's okay. I just don't think people are sending them as much as they used to, Okay, so you can see that it's actually wrapped around that cording a little bit better. So it's laying a little bit flatter than it would had we not put that cording. I even thought about using just lightweight paper for this, but the more I messed with that, it just kept tearing, and I was like, nope, never mind. I'm not doing that. So here's where we are. Do I have them upside down or inside? Oh, I kind of have that one a little backwards. Oh, did I put them in wrong? Let's do it this way. Maybe it'll sit better if I've got it the right way. There we go. There we go. Okay. So there we go. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages for photos. And then that closes like that. So then your picture will be shown through, and then whatever we decide to do here. And then again, you could also do smaller pages. So I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. Don't forget, you guys, to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. It also enters you into the giveaway. And you also have to be a subscriber to be entered into the giveaway, or to win the giveaway. All of that information is in the description box. But be sure to leave me a comment. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And thank you guys for joining me really quick for this idea. Let me put this back in here just so I can reference it next time. But thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.